Hello everyone. Now बच्चे there are certain adjustments which are related to bad debts. Three things will be given inside the trial balance. Bad debts, it will be shown in the debit side of profit and loss account. Then one provision will be given in credit side of trial balance. Provision for doubtful debt. That provision is called old provision, which is given inside the trial balance. That is called old provision. And one more thing will be given to you, that are debtors. So these three things, suppose just take an example. 4,000 is the value of bad debts given to you. 6,000 is the value of old provision, and here 82,000 is the value of debtors given to you. These three things will be given inside the trial balance, and you have to place them at one place only. Debtors in assets and bad debts in profit and loss debit side, and old provision will be subtracted from it. Now there will be maximum 3 adjustments. First is बच्चे further bad debts. In additional information, it will be informed to you that you are having certain additional further bad debts, so they will be subtracted from debtors. Suppose 2,000, it will be given outside the trial balance. It will be given in the adjustments that we have certain value of further bad debts. More people decided to bad debts. Then the remaining value of debtor will become 80,000. Now one new provision will be given outside the trial balance. Which are given outside, they are called adjustments. And this we have to done at 2 places. Suppose 5% new provision is there. So 5% of this value will be calculated. 80,000. 5% of 80,000 we have to calculate. That will be 4,000. Now the value became 76,000. These are the deductions from debtors. We have absolute further bad debts 2,000, and we are expecting further bad debt of 5%. This is new provision. Now sometimes provision for discount is also there. Suppose it is 2%. Suppose it is 2%. So it will be 1,520. We have to calculate 2% of this value. 76,000 into 2 by 100. This will be 1,520. Now the remaining we have to write outside. This we have to write outside. First of all, बच्चे, we will write debtors from the trial balance. Then we will subtract further bad debts. And after subtracting further bad debts, we have to calculate 5% on this value. 4,000 will be the new provision. Then whatever will be the remaining debtors, we have to calculate discount percentage on them. 76,000 and 2% of it will be provision for discount. Now these are the deductions from debtors. One time these adjustments we have recorded. Second time they will be added here. This is previous bad debts. Now there are certain bad debts, means there is some more loss which will be shown in the debit side of profit and loss account, and new provision. New provision of this 4,000 will be added up. 4 plus 4 plus 2. 10 minus 6. 4,000 is your bad debts amount. Bad debts, previous bad debts plus further bad debts plus new provision. Whatever we have subtracted from debtors, we have to add it in the bad debts. Now old provision will be subtracted, बच्चे. This provision for discount we have to write separately in the debit side. Provision for discount. 1,520. This is the way in which we will deal with the bad debts adjustments. Bad debts will be given inside. It will be written at one place only. Old provision will be written at one place, and debtors will be given inside the trial balance, so it will be written one place. Further bad debt, we have to subtract, then new provision, then provision for discount. And these three items will be added up here. Further bad debt and new provision, we will add them, and provision for discount we will show in separately. We have to show that. Sometimes बच्चे, suppose this old provision is more. Now negative balance we cannot write here. If the positive is total 10 and negative is 16, minus 6,000 we cannot write here. In that situation, what we will do? Initially we are not knowing that whether it is less or more. So we will leave the question here. If the old provision is more than these totals, then we have to leave it here. We will shift, you don't need to cut it off. You will shift all the items here and you have to change the sign, side and sign. Old provision, then in that case, old provision you have to write here 16,000. Then these positive will become negative. This negative became positive बच्चे here, and these positive will become negative. Bad debts, further bad debts, new provision. 4,000, 2,000 and 4,000. This 10,000 will be deducted and the answer will be written outside 6,000. If the total of old provision is more, we cannot write any negative item here. So all these items will be shifting to the credit side and their signs will be automatically changed. But this provision for discount never goes here. So that's why we used to record him separately. We have to record it separately. Clear, bachche? Have a look on question 7th illustration. Bad debts are given to you inside the trial balance. Old provision is given, debtors are given. Now outside the trial balance, further bad debts are given. Provision, this is new provision which is given outside. Create a provision for discount 3%. So in that case you have to write your bad debts first, then you will add the further bad debts, and then you will add the new provision and subtract the old provision which is given inside the trial balance. Like this. Debtors have been given to you 2 lakh. Debtors have been given to you for rupees 2 lakh. And further bad debts is given to you 2,000. From 2 lakh you have subtracted 2,000. This is 198. And you have to calculate 5% of 198. 9,900 is your new provision. Then this value, on this value 1,88,100, you have to calculate 3% provision for discount. All these three items will be subtracted from the debtors. Only the provision will be written separately. Rest you have to add these two in the bad debts, and the old provision will be subtracted like this. Thank you.